Hello YouTube, I hope everybody's doing great. I'm up again, or still. My previous video I uploaded, I probably was too long and I don't even know how many people will watch or act on it. Anyway, I'm trying to push my campaign and this is the only way I know how. And as I had on my Kickstarter campaign hired a company and they did not even meet their return of investment, and I had like 50-60 people from Indiegogo contact me and offering their support, help and whatever, and some are really think they're smart and oh, I'm interested and tell me more about it. Just please look at the campaign, look at my videos, then you know more about the max scroll. I don't have to tell you. I even had people offering me a donation of $7,000. Another one offered me $12,000. Yeah, sure. I wonder how much you have to pay to get that. And before I even went with Indiegogo, I saw that their offer help as well, campaign help or advertising or whatever it's supposed to be. And I said, well, why not try them till I hit this here. Let me zoom in for you. Spend on advertising. If I would have $5,000 or $15,000 to spend on a campaign or on advertisement, or even more, I wouldn't have to do the campaign. I would just take that money and spend it, or not spend it, use it for the things I need to do. I don't have $5,000. I don't have $15,000. I do not have over $15,000. I mean, even let's go with 5,000. To make that kind of profit, I would have to have $50,000 that comes in, and then I just break even. Maybe not 50,000, probably less than that, but I mean, I would have to get the amount of over $200,000 to make it worth. I mean, how is that gonna work? How are they asking me for $5,000 to spend on advertising? I don't know. I guess if you're just a regular guy doing this, you might just don't do it at all, because that's just crazy. It's really crazy. I mean, I don't know what to say. I'm lost for words, and I don't know. I thought the 140 something people that pledged for me on Kickstarter, if they would tell one person, if I would just at least get as much backers there from there, I would do okay. Not great, okay. But I have, lo and behold, 3 backers. 3. One of them is from Kickstarter. The rest I don't know. I don't think I can see who the backers are. I haven't found a thing yet where I can see that. So I don't know what to do, what else to do. I'm sharing this on social media as well, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and I don't know, I'm just doing it for just waste of time, seems to me. I don't know, and this is something that anybody can use. People, look at that. You can scroll easily up and down, left and right, and do so many things with the max scroll. By the way, the max scroll has the LEDs on the bottom that you can configure. I showed it in my last video with the app that I wrote an app for Windows just for this. This was supposed to be just scroll wheel. Nothing else. Nothing complicated. Plug it in, plug and play. It is plug and play. But then, I mean, even Kickstarter started off slow, and I added more features, put more functions in it, and wrote the code, and it wasn't even called for. It was not in my calculation in my head on time spent. I mean, I'm working 14, 16 hours a day, 7 days a week. I had one day that I went on a, you can call it a vacation. One day last year I went to the beach one day, and the rest I'm working. Today is my wife's birthday. I'm working. I mean, I don't know. So anyway, I'm just keep making videos. I don't know if people watch it. I don't know if they're gonna even click the link, and or as simple as like button. I mean, I get maybe 5-10 likes on my videos. I mean, what is it? I don't know, I'm probably a screw up, don't know nothing, can't do nothing, and just wasting everybody's time because I don't even get a like. If I would get a like on my videos, my channel would grow. It doesn't. I'm at 21,000 subscribers for that. I mean, and my channel is over 12 years old. I have over 600 videos. Oh, I started complaining again. Again. God, doesn't matter. Anyway, I will just make videos. That's all I can do right now. And thanks for watching. And if you click the link, if you're interested, click the link. If not, like, hit the like button. If you don't like it, click the don't like button. I wish they would have a button for I hate this stuff. Maybe I would get more hate videos or hate stuff or hate comments. I don't know. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video in a couple of hours. Till then,